Tech Tutorial Tips, and in today's video we will be taking a look at how you can fix your computer keyboard without dismantling your computer or finding new tools to dismantle your computer, just with a new technique Microsoft has begun. So I noticed that many people computers are facing keyboard problems, and then you may not have enough money to get a new keyboard for your computer. So don't panic, you have come to the right place where you will get the solution to your computer keyboard. Some people doesn't know that Microsoft has helped every Microsoft Windows to fix the keyboard issue. So the thing you need to do is just to follow the steps given to you in this tutorial video to fix the problem you're facing on your computer. So sites here, let's get started. Welcome back to sites here. If you're making use of any Microsoft Windows software, you are able to make use of this on-screen segment. So now let's move on into the tutorial class. Firstly, you can press your window button, then type in on screen. Although all my keyboard on my computer is working, but I want to show you how you can do that because you may be facing an issue like this. So when you press on screen, now it brings out this on screen keyboard. Turn on the on screen keyboard, strictly keys, toggle keys, glitters keys, then you click on turn on screen keyboard. Now you can see it loading. Now you can see the on screen keyboard has come out. Now let me open Notepad, test it. Okay, where come. Now you can see you can use it to do whatever you're using your keyboard to do. You can see. So guys, now you can see the keyboard is now working. So subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon below, and then like the video. You can also share to your friends and family. So if you have any question about this video or any question, just comment below or chat with me live on my blog www.ttechtutorialtips.blogspot.com. So thanks for watching.
Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share.
Did anybody out there, yeah?